Hey everyone, Nate here with Outside Cleaners on Cape Cod, Massachusetts. You might wonder why I'm not out cleaning a roof on this beautiful day. And the reason is, it's not a beautiful day. It's the middle of winter, and this is not roof cleaning weather. If anyone tells you it is, they're wrong. Roof cleaning needs warm weather, or at least mild weather, to be done correctly and effectively. The chemicals just don't work in cold temperatures. So if you have your roof cleaned or attempted to be cleaned in cold weather, at best you're wasting money, and at worst you might be damaging your roof. So if your home insurance company is telling you to have your roof cleaned and they're saying it has to be done within a certain amount of time, and that time is in cold weather, it's a fair question to ask them why they don't know what they're talking about. From what I've seen, they don't. If you want to know what's what, if you want to talk to somebody who knows what they're talking about, give me a call.